How to create a new Binance account using a mobile phone, step by step. Go to my description and click the link. After clicking, you will see this page. Now sign up. If you have a Google account, you can sign up with Google. If you have an Apple ID, you can sign up with Apple. Choose whatever you like. After signing up, download the Binance app. Next, complete the verification. Verification is very important. You can use your passport, national ID, or driving license, whatever you have. The verification usually takes up to 1 hour. Second step, how to buy a stablecoin, P2P. Buying a stablecoin is very easy. On the main page, if you don't see it, go to the search bar and type P2P. Click on it. Now select your currency. I am from Sri Lanka, so I choose LKR. You can choose your own currency. Enter the amount you want to buy. Next, choose the payment method. There are many methods available. Choose whichever you like. I choose bank transfer. Now you will see many sellers. I choose the second seller because the price is a little cheaper. Important. Click on the seller's profile and check their feedback. This is very important because scammers are everywhere. Check the positive feedback percentage. The seller I chose had 98.90% positive reviews. Also check whether the seller has completed KYC verification. If the seller is not KYC verified, do not buy. There is a risk of scam. Next, I proceed to buy. I choose the bank transfer method and check the seller's bank details. I also check whether the seller is online or offline. I send a message. Hi, are you online? The seller replied yes, so I continue. If the seller is offline, do not pay. You may have to wait for a long time. After making the payment, upload the payment proof and click transfer. Notify seller. This lets the seller know that you have paid. The seller checks the payment and finally transfers the coins to my account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.